Many times when we run our Adobe After Effects software, the computer becomes heavy and hangs. Today we will learn how to run it very smoothly. We will come here. Half is given, we will not do half, we will change it to third or quarter. After that, I will go to Edit, from there I will go to Preferences, from there I will go to Preview. We will reduce the quality further from here to make our timeline run smoother. Zoom quality should be made faster. Then I will come to the memory. In my 16 GB of RAM, Adobe After Effects takes 11 GB. I will make it 13 GB. Then again we will cache the empty disks so that the unnecessary files of Adobe After Effects will be deleted and Adobe After Effects will work faster. Now Adobe After Effects will work very fast. Subscribe this channel, stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks.